Hi, today here are some flower decorating ideas. These flower decorating ideas are very unique, very interesting. These are mostly in the normal planters and mostly even not in planters. The simple items of the whatever the home items which we have in our kitchen, etc. Simple bottles are there, simple vases are there. So these are very amazing type of decoration of the flowers in different type of pots, in different types of planters, whatever, and they are really amazing. Like see only a bit arrangement of a different arrangement is giving different look to those of the flowers. Here you could see that only the twigs are there and twigs around the flowers, and only one small type of rope they have, like thread they have like tied around it. Here you could see a very rustic type of cane is there, even with the rust. And here the basket is there. In the basket they have just put the white flowers, and so many different ideas on the simple like ball of like crystal ball, or like ball of glass. In that the flowers have been put, so the arrangement has like given a really new look to it. The simple jars are there, jars are there, and even in the glasses, mm, uh, the glasses, water glasses, in that they have put the like flowers. You can put them in that. So all are amazing, all are different, all are amazing. So I hope you would have liked them, and you would have got some ideas from them. So thank you.